Hi, so I also have with me another accessory, which is the Windslayer. So this one, I'm gonna show you how it looks. You can already have two Windslayer in a box. So this one. So guys, this is the Windslayer, or the GoPro Wind Muff with wind noise reduction. When you are using your GoPro outside, the usual problem is the wind noise. So this basically solves that problem. So let's try it. Okay, so let's check it. It will perfectly fit with my GoPro Hero 9. So here it is. It perfectly fits my GoPro Hero 9. By the way, this is also compatible with your GoPro Hero 10. So if you are using GoPro Hero 10, you can also buy this one. So as you can see, it perfectly fits my GoPro Hero 9. It doesn't block any button. The side button is okay, and also the top button, it was not being blocked. You can easily stop or record your video easily. And if you want to mount it on your accessories or your extension post, you can also conveniently attach it here. So that's it. Also, one good thing about using this one is it acts as a protective cover for your GoPros. If this accidentally falls down, or for any reason, it protects it from any scratches. So let's test later if it can really reduce the wind noise. Hi guys, we are here in Mount Talamitam, and we just reached the campsite, as you can see over there, and we will later go at the peak there for the sunset. I am now hiking, going up the summit of Mount Talamitam, and this is audio test with the Windslayer attached to my GoPro Hero 9. There's a bit of wind blowing, and this is a test whether the wind noise will be reduced by the Windslayer. And the weather is good. It's a sunny day. It's already summer here in the Philippines, and it's a hiking season again, with the lowering of travel restrictions regarding COVID-19. Most of the mountains and tourism sites are now open here in the Philippines. Now here is an audio test without the Windslayer attached to my GoPro Hero 9. There's a bit of wind blowing, and we will compare this clip with the audio of the one with the Windslayer attached to my GoPro Hero 9. As you can see, there's a wind blowing. This is going up the peak of Mount Talamitam. Hi guys, this is the sound with the Windslayer on. It's sunrise now here in Mount Talamitam. There is wind blowing. Good morning guys. So this is the sound when the Windslayer is not attached to my GoPro. There's a wind now blowing. So guys, if you think you also need this Windslayer during your backpacking or during your sports activities, please do check the link below so you can check out where you can buy this one. It's cheaper than most of the other available wind reduction accessories for your GoPro Hero 9. So thank you in advance guys, and keep on exploring.